Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Rashmi and I'm here to show you easy peasy, tasty recipes for your children's tiffin. Today we're going to make a broccoli and tofu whole wheat pasta. So come along and let's see how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. For our broccoli and tofu whole wheat pasta, I'm going to take some oil, and to this I'm going to add onions which are finely chopped and saute it well. Now I've got some broccoli, which is one of those vegetables that children don't quite enjoy as much standalone, but you can easily sneak it into this pasta and it tastes really good and is a very good source of vitamin C, which again helps build immunity. Now to this, I'm going to add some tofu, another great source of protein. Let's just saute this gently. And now I'm going to add Kissan Pizza and Pasta Sauce. Now this has the crushed tomatoes, the diced tomatoes and basil and all the spices that I want going into my pasta. So this recipe is really great, especially when you're feeding kids, because it's got the broccoli, it's got the tofu, and tofu, as you know, has protein, which is one of those building blocks for development. Now this is sauteed really well, and I'm ready to add my cooked whole wheat fusilli pasta. Give it a good stir. And now you just want to watch for the salt you're adding, simply because the Kissan Pizza and Pasta Sauce has the salt. So just add that in moderation. And I'm going to sprinkle some chopped parsley. So I've added the parsley, and our broccoli and tofu whole wheat pasta is ready and all set to be packed in our tiffin. We're going to add some cashew nuts, and we have some chopped pineapple. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's got all the fun, the nutrition and the protein packed into it. Please subscribe to India Food Network for more recipes like this and send us your feedback in comments. I look forward to joining you to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.